In primetime news this evening, is it good enough? Jamaica weighs in on the opposition in the R.J. Glena Don Anderson polls.
A government responds to concerns over land row at Innswood in St. Catherine.
And later, the aftermath of the fire which claimed the lives of 3 children in Springfield, Westmoreland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious, and and with a preview of what's coming up in the business news, here's Andrea Chisholm. Andrea?
Well, Janella, I can understand your frustration because, parents have to spend a lot of money to send their children back to school. And as I said, it can be very frustrating. But there are things parents can do to help safeguard their finances. I'll tell you more in the business day.
Okay, a lot of persons looking forward to that.
Yes.
And we now go to sports. Jordan Fort is here to tell us what's coming up. Jordan.
Well, Herman, good news for the Sunshine Girls. Coach Connie Francis is set to stay on at least for the foreseeable future. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
Throws confetti in the air. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what was your experience like on the first day of the new academic year?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.